Hey there, welcome to CLIK Creatives Digital Marketing Channel. I'm your host, D Creatives, and I'm thrilled to have you here with us. If you're eager to dive into the world of WordPress, master content creation, explore the latest in tech trends, and check out some pretty dope gadgets, then you're definitely in the right place and in for an amazing YouTube journey. Are you ready to transform your online presence with WordPress? Our tutorials got your back. From setting up your site to optimizing it for maximum impact, we're here to make your WordPress journey smooth and effective. And don't worry about those roosters in the background. They're my neighbors, and they're just being cocks. Now, anyone can create okay content, but creating content that shines takes strategy. We're here to share the secrets to crafting compelling content that resonates with your audience. Get ready for tips, techniques, and tools that'll take your content game to the next level. Now, let's geek out for a bit on all things tech. From gadget reviews that help you make informed decisions about your tech, to explorations and AI trends that help your business grow. We got you. CLIK Creatives isn't just a channel. It's a community of learners, creators, and tech enthusiasts. Drop your thoughts and questions and ideas, if you have any, in the comments below each video. Let's learn and grow together. That's what this is about, right? So what can you expect from our videos? Practical step-by-step guides to navigate the world of WordPress, creative strategies to increase your content reach, dope tech explorations, and a vibrant community to be a part of. What's not to love? If you're as excited as we are about WordPress, content creation, tech, and gadgets, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Join us on this adventure. And you know we'd love to have you. Thank you for choosing CLIK Creatives as your digital learning hub. We're honored to be a part of your digital journey. So let's continue to learn, create, and explore together. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep embracing the digital world. I'll catch you next time, and until we upload our next video, keep on clicking and take care.